Have you ever tried to convince someone that your favorite movie is the best one ever? Or debated whether pineapple belongs on pizza? That's argumentation. In today's lesson, we're diving into argumentative writing, how to support claims with solid reasoning and evidence. Mastering this skill will help you write compelling essays and even improve your everyday discussions. Let's start with some key terms that you need to know. Claim, the main point or argument you're trying to prove. Reasoning, the logical explanation of why your claim makes sense. Evidence, facts, examples, or expert opinions that support your claim. Counterclaim, an opposing viewpoint that strengthens your argument when addressed properly. Rebuttal, a response that refutes or weakens the counterclaim. Imagine you're writing an argumentative essay about why students should have a longer lunch break. Claim, longer lunch breaks improve student focus. Reasoning, when students have time to eat and relax, they return to class more focused. Evidence, a study from the National School Health Association found that students with 45-minute lunch breaks performed 15% better on post-lunch tests. Now, let's apply this to a more structured essay topic. Should schools require uniforms? Claim, school uniforms promote equality and reduce peer pressure. Reasoning, when students wear the same clothing, economic differences become less noticeable, reducing bullying. Evidence, a study from Harvard Education Review, states that schools with uniform policies report 30% fewer bullying incidents. Counterclaim, some argue that uniforms limit self-expression. Rebuttal, students can still express themselves through accessories, hairstyles, and after-school activities. Let's take a real-world debate. Should social media companies be responsible for preventing misinformation? Claim, social media platforms should regulate misinformation to protect public health and safety. Reasoning, false information spreads quickly and influences major decisions. Evidence, a 2021 Pew Research study found that 64% of Americans encountered misleading news online. Counterclaim, some believe regulation limits free speech. Rebuttal, fact-checking and labeling misinformation still allow free speech but help users make informed choices. Argumentative writing is all about making a strong case for your ideas. By using clear claims, logical reasoning, and solid evidence, you can persuade your audience effectively. Remember to consider opposing viewpoints and respond to them with well-thought-out rebuttals. Whether you're writing a class essay or debating a real-world issue, these skills will serve you well. The art of argument is not about who is louder, it's about who has the strongest evidence.